Is your home safe from the hidden dangers lurking after water damage? Discover why mold testing is essential and how it can protect your family's health. Today, we're diving into a topic that every homeowner should be aware of: mold testing after water damage. Whether you've experienced a recent flood, a leaky roof, or just want to know the risks associated with mold in your home, this video is for you. Mold is a type of fungus that thrives in moist environments, making water-damaged areas in your home the perfect breeding ground where it can grow silently and out of sight. Once it starts to spread, it can quickly invade large sections of your home, creating a significant risk to both your property and your health. Exposure to mold spores and lead to serious respiratory problems and allergic reactions. If left untreated, the presence of mold can cause chronic respiratory issues and even permanent lung damage, posing a hidden threat that could be lurking behind your walls, under your floors, or in your basement. Mold spores are microscopic and can easily become airborne, where they are inhaled and cause health issues. This is why it's crucial to act fast after any water damage and ensure your home is mold-free. So how can you protect your home and health from mold after water damage? This is where MD Mold Testing comes in. At MD Mold Testing, we understand the dangers of mold, especially after water damage, and we're here to help you create a safe living environment. Let's break down why MD Mold Testing is your best choice. Our team of certified professionals has years of experience in mold detection and removal, having handled countless cases to ensure your home is free from mold, using state-of-the-art testing methods to detect mold in hidden areas, providing precise and reliable lab results that give you peace of mind, knowing that your safety is our top priority as we follow strict safety protocols during the testing and removal process to prevent any harmful mold spores from spreading in your home. Our commitment to quality and thoroughness means we won't stop until your space is completely mold-free and you can breathe easy again. If you're concerned about mold after water damage, don't wait until it's too late. Contact MD Mold Testing today and let us take care of the rest. Visit our website at www.mdmoldtesting.com or give us a call at 301-717-1454 to schedule your mold inspection. Remember, a mold-free home is a healthy home, and we're here to help you achieve that. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to keep your home safe and healthy. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.